Hi guys, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Just a quick video to show these beautiful chrome KIWI 16-inch alloy wheels we've just had done. They've just been chromed and lacquered and they look absolutely amazing. Obviously they look even better with tyres on a car with centre caps, but just look at these wheels. So impressed. The whole wheel has been chromed. We'll show you the backs in a second, but look at these guys. Now we've got these for sale. There's 5 as well, so you've got one for the spare. They would fit any Jaguar XJ between 94 and 2002. So they'll go on an XJ40, whichever variant, Sovereign, XJ6, XJ12, whatever you've got. The same with the X300, and they'll go on an XJ8 as well, which is a 308. So you've got XJ6, XJ40, XJ8, whatever you've got within that time frame, they will go on. They don't come with tyres, but they've been chromed at a vast expense. And look at these, absolutely mint. There isn't another set on the market to buy of these wheels, not chromed like this, not a set of 5 anyway. These were, in the day, they did come diamond turned actually, from the factory. You could have them chromed as well as a very, very high cost option. And in America, of course, they were an option to have chrome wheels on all the Jaguar range, including the XJ40 300s and 308s. So, but look at these. This is a one chance only of buying a full set of 5 KIWI alloys, all finished in chrome. Look at that. Absolutely mint. A little bit of dust on, but from where they've been stored, but look at that. Unbelievable. So yeah, if you like these wheels and you think they look absolutely mint on your Daimler or a Sovereign or whatever you've got, then give us a shout on 07759 938 395. These wheels weren't damaged or bent or anything like that prior to getting them chromed. They were all checked. The surface of them basically was just dull. They were originally painted in silver, but they're all straight, they're all chromed, and they're ready to complement a car. They'd look absolutely amazing on the car. So whoever buys them, please make sure you take me a picture of them when they've got tyres on and they're on their on a Jaguar. There you go guys, these wheels are £1,500 plus VAT, that's it. And they're a bargain for 5 wheels, all in chrome like that. So get in touch with us. You can contact us on the telephone number I've already provided, or you can email us on, I think it's sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. Or give us a text message on the telephone number I've provided, or give us a WhatsApp. But these wheels are for sale. We've got one set only, not to be repeated. Give us a shout. Thanks for watching, guys.